Do you often miss an important dialogue while watching a favorite TV serial with your family? Or miss out on a joke when having fun conversation with your friends? But you may just pass it off as one of incidents and do not take it seriously. Remember, these symptoms are often observed by the people who are communicating with you, and they may bring it to your notice. And this could be because your hearing is affected. You may be surprised to know that there are 63 million people affected by hearing loss in India according to the latest WHO survey of 2018, and this is not related to any particular age group. Hearing loss is the second common physical impairment around the world, preceded by depression, and that is why it is important to take care of it before it is too late. The first step towards better hearing health is to know the status of your hearing. And how do you do that? Traditionally, this is done by going to the hospital or to the clinic and get a professional hearing test done, which is called audiometry. But we have created a proprietary technology with which you can do this in the comfort of your home. This is by using three-step process. The first is to go to our website www.qualityhearingcare.com. Click on to online hearing test. The second is to fill up the forms which are required for this test. The third is to find a quiet place in your house. Use earphones with earbuds or headphones. Attach it to your computer. Find out a comfortable listening level and go through the test, which will be different sounds, and you click on to the softest heard sound. The report will be generated, which will be sent by email to you as well as to your professional. In case you want to have any consultation done, you can either have an online consultation with our professionals of Quality Hearing Care, or you can come to our clinic for a physical assessment of your hearing. Please ensure that you do this with your family members as well who are elderly and who might be having some signs of probable hearing loss, and share this with your friends who could be helped with this, and take care. Thank you.